welcome guys. Today we have a review of this amazing 1990 Audi 200 2.2 liter turbo. It has original 220 horsepower. What's really amazing about this car is it's really tunable. The owner was telling us that he wants to tune it to maybe 700, 800 horsepower in the future. So we'll definitely come back then.
So this is an Audi 200, and for me it's a little bit extra special because I used to own an Audi 100. That's the lesser model of this one, because here we have the Quattro, we have the 5-cylinder turbo, and in the 100 I had just a front wheel drive and a 5-cylinder, but still I recognize so many things of this car and it brings back so many memories. Yeah, this is the model you wanted. I hadn't had the money for it, but yeah, this is cool that we can drive it now.
Heya!
Just done some flybys and
with the owner himself.
Yes,
it's a good friend of mine.
I'm quite impressed of the car already. Now we're gonna have a little taste of it of our own. First impression?
Yeah, crazy! Come on. It's so hard to compare to another car because it's so analog, raw, old school, very nice engine. Just instant smile on your face in this car. It's just, it won't stop. For fun, this is a really good car to buy, that's for sure.
In this episode we won't talk about fuel, we only talk about miles per gallon.
So, can you tell us something about the engine?
It's a 2.2 20 valves with turbo. The specific engine what's in here is an AAM, also used in Audi S4 from 1991 till 1995.
So how much horsepower do you think it has?
I don't know, because before this it has an LPG gas tank. It was cheaper there, and also it was tuned like that. So
where did you get the car from?
Ukraine. I got it from Ukraine.
Nice. So this is the Quattro. Well, it isn't, but it has the same engine like the RS3 that we still use today, the 5-cylinder turbo. It has 4-wheel drive, but on all the wheels at all time, the old-fashioned Quattro, which is really nice, especially on roads like this. Gives really rally vibes, this road. Oh, Bob! This is a real rally car, look at this, man!
So this is enough talking, let's drive it.
Mom. want to give a special thanks to our good friend Zavin for letting us make a video of this amazing Audi 200. He has a lot of car projects like this USZ. If you want to see a USZ spotlight video in the future, let us know in the comments and subscribe. Zavin is also starting his own YouTube channel, so if you want to follow his projects, please follow him at Zabolska. We will put a link in the description. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you soon.
Hey man, what do you do for a living?
What do you mean, what do you do for a living?
This car man, what do you do for a living?
I don't do for a living, I drive somebody else for a living.
What do you do for a living?
Just make YouTube videos.
Don't post that online.